Alright guys, well, another dog park surprise. It's one of those things, we use Google Maps a lot to find the dog parks that we go to, and a lot of times I think they're just outdated, wrong, or haven't been updated. And sometime this is another case where we've come out here to Kooby Park, Kooby, I believe, in Valley Center, California, and there is no dog park here. There are baseball fields. We've driven around, we looked. This happens, I would say about maybe 20% of the time, where it says there's a park there and then there really isn't. That's with Google Maps. Other maps might be different. Tell me what your experiences are. You know, it's one of those things where it's a letdown for the dog because he's been waiting to play, and we've talked about it and got all, you know, excited about it and everything. But there is a little place to play here in front. I think it's run by the city. It's got a fence along the front of it here on the street side, so that's good. But we're just gonna play a little catch and frisbee, and I'll try to videotape a little bit of it, but there's not really a dog park here. So these are the kind of videos that I wanna make so that you know what you're getting into. Yeah, he doesn't know the difference, so but he does know when we don't play. So we're gonna avoid that letdown today and just go have some fun. Anyway, make the best of it. All right, guys. Well, we just had a great time. We brought 3 frisbees, and nobody's bugged us here, so it's been great. Tons of shade, love the plush grass. We always like grass, huh, Papa? Anyway, we have had a great time today. Of course, we are always on the hunt for the best dog parks in America so that we can tell you where they are, and then you'll know, and then we'll all know, because nobody has put a list together like this, so we want to put it together. So we've got it down. We know where our favorites are that are in our area of the country, and then you can figure out where you want to go. That's why we're doing it, guys. So we all know, right? We all love dogs. They need their space. They need their exercise. And this one needs it more than your average. I would say 3 to 5 times a day minimum on the play, and a couple walks on top of that as well. That's what we do, guys. All right, see you at the next one.